I have so much joy and electric energy moving through my system as I sit down to channel this guided meditation. I hope that as we sink into this sacred space together, you can allow yourself to open, to receive, to expand into more magical and abundant realities, to explore, and most importantly, to be here now. Let's settle in by taking some big, deep breaths, really allowing your lungs to expand fully, sucking in every last drop of breath, holding at the top before a nice, slow, steady exhale. Really allowing yourself to just let go, let go, let go. Breathing in deeply, allowing your entire body to fill with new, abundant life force energy. With a nice, slow exhale, making room for more. With every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation, deeper and deeper into the subconscious mind. Any thoughts or feelings that arise, simply allow them to dissolve away in their own space and time. Being present with your body, with the vibration of the earth beneath you, with your breath. As you envision yourself walking down a beautiful cavern, the walls, beautiful red stone laced with embedded roots of complex trees. It's like a masterpiece as you walk down this natural corridor. You feel enlivened, whole, innocent, breathing into your new surroundings. A brownish red energy swirls through your system, grounding you deep into Mother Gaia, creating reverence within as you stand embodied in this form, here, present, safe, whole. And as you deepen into these roots, a beautiful orange energy cascades through your system, allowing you to expand into the fullness of life, to blossom, to unfold yourself, deeply surrendered. Your creative and sensual energies rising, your body becomes loose and calm, breathing in this sacred feminine energy, allowing yourself to unravel wholly and completely. Still grounded and steady, dancing with life as an electric yellow energy covers you from head to toe. You breathe in this energy as it ignites your internal flame, propelling you forward in aligned action as you surrender to divine will. A boldness is created within you. Structures form, creating space and flow for the divine feminine below. As your divine masculine energy fully ignites, harmonizing with the divine feminine, grounded deep into the earth, allow yourself to feel the symphony arise within you. A beautiful green energy now spirals through your heart space, creating a perfect bridge of love from human to ethereal, igniting inner union, stepping in to love embodied, operating from your highest, truest frequency as you bridge the gap, surrendering to the divine embodied in the human, holding space for all. As a deep blue energy, bright like the sky, breathes into you. Your authentic essence shining forward. Every breath creates more ease and flow, freedom to express your soul's truth. Fully open to the authentic expression alive within you now. As the blue deepens into a beautiful indigo, now the color of the night sky, all senses become clear and active. All the puzzle pieces of your life are perfectly coming together to form the masterpiece that you are. And with a final burst of color, a bright violet pours down through your crown as the divine within fully enters the here and now, making this human life sacred. As the colors fade, you find yourself traversing the beautiful natural cavern. You feel a sense of wholeness and alignment like never before. Every step you take reverberates through your entire being, as if with each step, each breath, you are composing life songs. As you continue to walk down the cavern, you see a beautiful glowing portal ahead. You breathe deep as you witness a spirit animal joining you just ahead on the path. Notice the type of animal this is and keep it in your mind's eye as you journey forward. Your spirit animal takes the lead, diving through the portal. You follow, and you enter the warmest, most life-giving, nurturing, sustaining realm you've ever experienced. As if you are walking into the galactic womb. A warm, honey-like substance oozes through you. You expand into fullness, overflowing with satisfaction. Every need in your entire system perfectly met. As you fall open, allowing yourself to sink deeper into these energies. As you lie in this nurturing, energetic womb space, you will hear and receive messages from light beings around the world who have taken this journey before, who serve as a higher council, if you will, allowing us to learn and to grow in this sacred human experience. Lying in this beautiful energy, take the next several moments to listen to the messages of these light beings directly for you. As this sacred message comes to an end, the light beings place their hands around you, filling you with the most incredible and pure light. A reminder that you are always sustained, always held, and always have access to an unlimited supply of all you desire. Saying goodbye to the light beings as they depart, taking in one last breath of this warm, energizing space. As your spirit guide opens the portal and you follow your animal friend back out into the cavern. But as you do, you realize the sensations in your body are electric. Everything feels brand new. As you breathe into your physical body, you can feel the hair follicles on your lung sway with your breath. You can feel the blood pulsing through every cell, every organ. You feel your nervous system alive, wired and grounded. You feel the beat of your heart. Every sense is elevated as you breathe in the smells in your environment, ecstatic for the newness of these sensate experiences, remembering that this human life is sacred, that every breath, every emotion, every heartbreak, and every love is a sacred part of this existence, one you will never have again. A reminder to deepen into both grief and joy, to let them both exalt you, to allow yourself big belly laughs and soul-wrenching cries, to experience the wild, primal, raw human nature, every instinct, every urge, every emotion. Allow it to process you, to evolve you and the universal oneness from which we came. As you breathe deep into this day, into this moment. Remember the divinity in the human. Namaste, sweet ones. Thank you for journeying with me.